sa mga dahilan kung bakit tinanong ko yung project na to was because of Jen. I really enjoyed working with Jen nung gabi na. And yun din ang masasabi ko, hindi siya nagbago. Like, she's just very open, she's very giving, she's such a pleasure to work with. So, yeah, just like before, I really enjoyed working with her. And for the first time, magkasama kami ni Mr. Dennis Studio, such a pleasure. I really hate him because I feel like we're a bit the same of medyo may pagka-quiet and introvert. Same kami na ganyan eh. But super bait, sobrang bait si Dennis. And it's been such a pleasure working with the two of them. And seeing them, kasi for me, it's hard na, diba, parang, it's hard to mix work with love and love life. But seeing them on set, parang, it's so easy for them. It's such a refreshing thing to see a married couple work together. It's so easy for them to work together. So wala. They're able to mix that so easily. Yun na.